Good day everyone, I am Regina Barrete, third year criminology. I am here in front of you to introduce the parts and the function of the car. So first we should go the external parts of the car. First, the door.
A car door is a type of door opening typically hinged on its front edge but sometimes attached by other mechanisms such as tracks for entering and exiting a vehicle. These windows help protect the interior of the vehicle from wind, rain, snow, and other weather conditions. A mirror placed on the exterior of motor vehicles for the purpose of helping the driver see areas behind and to the sides of the vehicle, outside and driver's peripheral vision. The wheel is to spin around the tire rods. Signal lights have an important safety function. They demonstrate deceleration and a change in direction of the vehicle and make the vehicle more visible to other road users when it is dark or during poor visibility. The function of a car headlamp is to emit light to the front of the car so that the driver can drive more safely.
The bumper.
The purpose of bumpers is to reduce or prevent physical damage to the front and rear of vehicles in low-speed crashes.
And we have also the windshield.
Windshield protect the vehicle occupants from wind and flying debris such as dust, insects, and rocks and provide an aerodynamically formed window towards the front.
Also the rear light.
Brake lights are a critical communication tool on the road. Every time you press the brake pedal, the brake lights at the rear of your vehicle light up. This signals to drivers behind you that you're slowing down or coming to a stop.
Steering wheel. The horn button.
This button is typically located at the center of the steering wheel for easy access in emergencies. By pressing the car horn button, drivers can emit a loud and sharp sound from the vehicle's horn, which can help prevent accidents, indicate lane changes, or signal frustration to other drivers.
The left light lever.
The left lever controls the turn signals, headlights, and high beams.
The right light lever.
The right lever controls the windshield washers and wipers. The tilt adjustment lever on the underside of the steering column allows you to tilt the steering wheel. Switches, which in the professional field are referred to as a toggle switches or a toggle lever switches, connect or disconnect an electrical switching contract.
So first is the battery.
An automotive battery or a car battery is a rechargeable battery that used to start a motor vehicle. Its main purpose is to provide an electric current to the electric-powered starting motor. The horn is activated to warn others of the vehicle presence or approach or to call attention to some hazard.
The belt.
Serpentine belts, also known as drive belts, provides power to the air conditioning compressor, power steering pump, cooling fan, air injection pump, and more.
The engine.
An engine is some machine that converts energy from a fuel to some mechanical energy, creating motion in the process.
The air cleaner.
An engine air filter in your car filters out dirt, debris, and other particles that could harm the engine. An engine air filter's purpose is to ensure only clean air enters a car's engine.
The brake fluid.
The brake fluid takes the force from the depressed brake pedal, translate it into pressure, and send this pressure to the front and rear brakes to stop a vehicle.
The clutch fluid.
Clutch fluid is really just brake fluid that is kept in the clutch master cylinder. When you depress the clutch pedal, this fluid flows from the clutch master cylinder into the slave cylinder. The pressure of the fluid is then used to engage the clutch, which allow you to change gears.
And the radiator.
A radiator is the key component of the engine's cooling system. Its main role is to disperse a mix of antifreeze and water throughout its fins, which release some of the engine's heat while taking in a cold air before continuing to pass the rest of the engine.
RPM.
RPM stand for revolution per minute and is a measure of how fast the engine is spinning. The faster an engine spins, the more power it makes.
Speedometer.
Speedometer or speedometer is a gauge that measures and displays the instantaneous speed of a vehicle.
Temperature gauge.
The temperature gauge, most often located on your dashboard in your vehicle, is intended to show the temperature of your engaged coolant.
And fuel gauge.
In automotive and aerospace engineering, a fuel gauge is an instrument used to indicate the amount of fuel in a fuel tank.
The clutch.
It's a core. A car clutch is essentially a mechanical device that connects and disconnects the engine's power from the transmission, allowing you to change gears smoothly.
The brake.
It allows the driver to control the vehicle's speed and bring it to safe stop when required, preventing accident and collisions.
And the accelerator.
The accelerator in a vehicle is the pedal that controls the flow of gasoline to the engine, which you press with your foot in order to make the vehicle go faster. His foot off the accelerator to slow down.
And that's all. Thank you.